Let's learn to get the headstand right. Attempt the following demonstrations only if you have been practicing the headstand already. Let's begin by sitting on the mat, placing the forearms onto the ground, measuring your elbows so that they are shoulder distance apart. Place the crown of the head between the palms, using the palms to fence the head. Fingers are interlocked. Lift the knees off and check for the shoulders. Keep moving the shoulders away from the ears and the neck, and then slowly start to move on your tiptoes to the closest point. Very slowly we'll begin to lift one knee off, take it to chest. Repeat and change on the other side, keeping your foot flexed and engaged. Doing this to prepare to lift up in the entire pose. When you're ready, let both feet go off. Stay here for the longest time possible. Only when you feel ready, lift one leg up, followed by the other. Keeping your legs as engaged as possible, making sure the shoulders are strong and not collapsing. Tighten the muscles around the hip and slowly bend the knees to release. Relax into child's pose for a bit. Only when you feel comfortable with this demonstration, move on to the next one. Here we will press up to lift into the headstand. Get your alignment right and then slowly get the knees off. Walk to the closest point, lifting both legs together, making sure the core is fully engaged, straightening the legs and elongating upwards to the sky, keeping the shoulders strong. Very slowly flex your feet and with control, bring your legs down. Relax into the child's pose. Rest entirely.